Oh, guys, finally here in the falls. Behold, one of the most beautiful falls that I ever saw. Another highlights of my trip here, aside from these terraces here, there's another one is the Tappiya Falls. It's just down there. So let's go there. So it's and again it's still very easy if you descend down. The really challenge is the ones if you really go up, and that is really back-breaking but loving it challenge. So stay tuned. As I go down, my legs are shaking because I'm still farther away over there. Need to walk down, and my legs are shaking already. I'm so tired, exhausted, not enough sleep deprived, and really traveling makes me happy. It's so many have unexpected and beautiful things that happen, and my camera is so damn heavy. But I'm not complaining. I'm just citing the fact that it's not really easy to be able to come here. Souvenirs. Wow. Look at that, guys. I've been doing the easy part only because just descent, climbing down. What really the struggle later is the go up, and my shakes are both shaking already. So wish me luck, guys. You know, I always like to push my limit. I always go beyond my comfort zone. Just like when I go inside the Mount Bromo in Indonesia, in the volcano, in active volcano. The struggle is very real, but I keep on pushing myself to go beyond my comfort zone, to go past my limit. So this is it. I almost near. Hello.
Thank you.
It doesn't matter how slow you are as long as you don't stop. Slow progress is still a progress, right? Oh, guys, finally here in the falls. Behold, one of the most beautiful falls that I ever saw. Look at that, guys, Tappiya Falls. Woo. So amazing, right? So beautiful. It's really worth it, you know, all the descent, the ascent one, the going down, going up. It's really very tiring. My legs are both shaking, and when you see this one, it's really everything is gone. As I want to go there, suddenly I can feel the breeze inside, and I'm worried for my camera, so I need to use my GoPro. So switch to GoPro. and it's all mine. I'm just alone here. Woo! Look at that beautiful falls. Oh my goodness. And it's all by myself. Freedom! That feeling is so beautiful, you know. This is why I very love traveling. The feeling of the miseries, the adventures, the danger. It's all mixed emotions, and I really love it, and I'm so obsessed about it. This is so beautiful. I cannot get enough of it. I still need to go up from here all the way to the top. Good luck to me. My feet, my legs are very painful already, and see, wish me luck.